Alright guys, let's see what I just received here from Amazon. From Klein Tools. We'll open this up and see what it is. I bought a kit, so they both came together like this in a very heavy wrapper. This is the Klein Tools number 80016 circuit breaker finder, and it comes with an accessory, the toolkit with an accessory 2-piece set. So what you're seeing is the catalog number. On the left side we have catalog number ET310, and on the right side we have catalog number 69411, which makes up the 80016 kit. First we're going to take a look at what came with the circuit breaker kit, the number 69411, which you see here. And what we've got is a standard 3-prong to 2-prong adapter. So this way, if you're checking something that you don't have the ground in an older outlet, you can still use this unit. Then we also have a standard outlet 2-prong light fixture. So you can screw this into the light fixture. Then you would use this adapter, and now you can access a light fixture and see where that would be in your circuit panel. And then lastly we have a 3-prong female to alligator clip adapter. Now this is cool because you're able then to put these on wires and yet still allow this to be mated to the digital circuit breaker finder. Very nice. And here you see how you would use that 3-prong female to alligator clip adapter. So with the ET310 digital circuit breaker finder, you will get the items that you see here. On your right is going to be the transmitter. You would plug that into whatever outlet or adapter that I showed earlier, and then you would use the receiver that you see here on the left, and then that would pick up the signal from the transmitter, allowing you to find the proper circuit breaker in your panel. And then of course you also get a battery that is required for the receiver. It's a 9-volt. An instruction manual is also included. And for storage, what's nice is the transmitter plugs directly into the base of the receiver. Very nice. Next we're going to put the battery in, and I'm going to use my Phillips tip from my iFixit set that I have. Good quality. I'll put a plug in for that. Very good quality. You always want to make sure when you get these small Phillips head or slotted, you always want to make sure that you use a quality tip that fits it good so that you don't strip the head out. Just like that. Now, one thing I like right from the get-go is the part that you plug the 9-volt into is rigid. I like that. These are so much easier to plug and unplug your 9-volts in than the ones that are soft. If you know what I'm talking about, they're not rigid like this. This is a rigid plastic. This will make it so much easier, I find. with the ones that are flexible, I guess that's the word you want to use. They're easy to plug, but unplugging them I find to be a pain. So I was glad to see something like this. So I'm down in the basement with my fuse panel. I've got the cover removed. And just as a reminder, this unit is only for 120 volt testing, nothing higher. Alright, so what they want you to do is, when you turn it on, you'll see the on button and a reset. Turn it on, and then hit reset before you approach the panel. So I've got my receiver plugged into an outlet. They tell you to scan all the breakers twice. So I've got the transmitter on an outlet that's in my garage, and so I've already found it. I've scanned the wires twice and I've already found it, and it's this here. So it's this wire right here, and as I had stated earlier, this one breaker actually has it's two breakers into one. So if I was going to work on that outlet in the garage, I want this top to turn off. I want to shut that off because it corresponds to that wire. And again, always double check your work. When you shut it off here, plug something in out at the outlet, just double check and verify that you have in fact got the correct one. Only takes a second. Also, I haven't stated that this transmitter does double duty. You see this button up here, you can plug this into a surge protector, push it in, and if properly done, it will, if it's operating properly, it will trip that. And then you also see here how you can check whether the outlet is properly connected, if it's wired properly, and you'll have these set of lights that'll light up indicating what it is here as to what may or may not be wrong with the outlet. Correct wiring would be as in the bottom. 2 yellow lights will be on, this will be off. Also, if you have circuit breakers like this, 2 into 1, I would definitely take the panel off, the cover panel off, so that you can do what I did to verify what exact wire goes to whatever switch it may be. Another thing, guys, always double check. Okay, that helps you find it real quick, but double check. You can always put a meter in there or just double check, plug something in that is electric 110 and just verify. I would always do that. This helps you find it real quick. Once you shut off the breaker, always verify before you do the work. And one last thing, you can buy, I see on Amazon, cases to put this unit in, but you know what I like? What I'm going to use is this Rubbermaid container. It's the 1.18 liter 5 cup rectangular, and I think these work great. I've used them for many things, and it'll fit in there real nice. So let's see how this will go together. Take your transmitter just like that, your receiver here. Take your 3-prong adapter to alligator clip, stick that there. Your adapter there from 2 to 3 plug, and then your outlet adapter there for lights, sockets. And there you have it. Then I can put this in my toolbox. Everything is contained in here. You gotta like it.